What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. Well guys, yesterday Apple conducted their WWDC. So yesterday there were two kind of people. First of them were completely pissed off. So there was a majority amount of category who was actually waiting for a drastic redesign. But we all know that last year with the iOS 14, Apple brought all of the widgets. So that kind of thing is the highest level of Apple's redesign. But this year, we didn't heard lot in the leaks also. And at the end, in the WWDC also, the iOS 15 is not that much revolutionary. So if I have to describe the iOS 15 in a simple sentence, then it will be that this particular OS is just filled with smaller changes. Well guys, we all want to see a aesthetic redesign. Well, we would have liked to see few new widgets and overall a redesigned control center. But in reality, we are just getting the iOS 14 but a much more polished version. Well guys, see, in this particular OS, there are so many small minute things. Well, literally like 65 to 70% of the time in the introduction of the iOS 14, Apple was talking about the iMessage and the FaceTime. And this particular thing was pretty much expected because since the lockdown, we are using the Google Meet application and the Zoom meeting app. So apart from this, there is no major competition, and now Apple is seeing this particular area as a golden opportunity because see, in the FaceTime application, they have launched so many features, and now literally you can make your own meeting link and later on share it with the Android user, and still that Android user can also join the FaceTime meeting. So overall, it is pretty much clear that Apple wants to take as much benefit possible from all of the e-meetings. Well, with the help of this video, I just want to tell you that we all were expecting some breakthrough redesign, but it is pretty much clear that last year Apple has done the redesign. Well, they would have not changed the icons, but they have introduced the widgets, and now there are all small refinements. Well guys, literally in the entire event there are so many small little features, but overall as a consumer we feel that there is not that much changing. So the entire user interface is pretty much the same. And guys, initially I was not at all prepared to install the developer beta on my personal iPhone, but as a tech reviewer I think it is pretty much necessary. So as if for now, it has only been couple of hours since I have installed it, and let me tell you, there is a quite significant difference. But if you are talking from a normal consumer's perspective, then the overall upgrade is not that much significant. And guys, as if for now, I am not facing any issues. But in future, after 5 to 6 days or after 1 week, I will give you my comprehensive review. But so far, so good. Well guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick video. And guys, leave your precious feedback because I want to know from you, do you feel that the iOS 15 is a deal breaker or else it is not that substantial of an upgrade? Well guys, we all know that recently Android 12 is also out. So tell me, do you feel that Google has done way more efforts behind their newer OS or Apple has done so? So guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick video, and guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.